Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Most of all, how are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Sorry I'm doing the video late, but I will get out a collection tomorrow. Don't worry about that. Collection will be tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to look up some items for you to see, but that will be tomorrow. Plus, I've got a lot of good items, folks, lots of good items to talk about, and one of them is Elvis Presley, Jailhouse Rock. That's a good DVD movie, good one. There's Elvis, and there's the DVD movie to Jailhouse Rock. It's a good movie, folks. Good one. It's called Jailhouse Rock, Elvis Presley. Jailhouse Rock. Anyway, we got more storms coming in for the weekend, so I'm not looking forward to that. They say we're going to get some bad ones, so not looking forward to it. As you see, I got Popeye. But most of all, I'm not looking forward to the rough weather we're going to be having this weekend. So they say there's going to be bad storms. Not looking forward to it. But in the meantime, if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Refer this channel to one of your friends, relatives. Don't matter who, long as you share the news. And most of all, always be kind, true, and be there for your family and friends, no matter what. No matter what. All day today, I've been sitting, relaxing, trying to think up some ideas for more videos. If you have any suggestions on any of my items, leave down in the comments, and I'll show you all of my other items that I've got. But in the meantime, always remember to always like, subscribe, click that bell to be notified when I post the next video. And I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.